If you have no show ups on your live Zoom webinars, keep on building, keep on showing up. If no one shows up on your TikTok live masterclass training, keep on building, keep on showing up. If no one attends your live masterclass YouTube training, keep on building, keep on showing up, keep on sharing your experience, keep on leading with value. If no one has the best interest in their heart for your vision, for your mission, for your purpose, keep on showing up with relevant value for your market. Do not remove yourself from the equation thinking me, I. Instead, ask yourself, what can I do for you? What can I do for them? What can I do for someone else? Always keep on building. When you are going through discouragements, in actual fact, you will. When you go through, you know what, I'm feeling miserable, keep on building, keep on showing up. When you go through multiple disappointments, which you will go through, keep on building, keep on showing up.